Hello and welcome to this lecture. In a previous lecture, we used the default Lightroom presets to edit this image and get these effects from that presets. For example, we like this edit and we want to apply the same settings all over again into another images or a bunch of images. The first option to do is to go over and apply all the same settings, all the same presets all over again in each and every photo that we want to apply it. This will be very much unpractical and time consuming. So to make this task easy, Lightroom has this option of presets. In the previous lecture, we have seen how to copy the settings or the edits of one image into another one by using the develop settings and copy settings and selecting all of the edits that we want to copy and paste it onto another image. This is one way, and another way is to develop or create your own preset. How we can do that is we need to go to develop menu, and in this menu we will have new preset option. Just clicking on it, we will have this window and we can select the name of the preset. For example, I will call it flat green. And we can also choose a group for it or create a new group for it. For example, I create a new group one, name it course presets, and create it. At the bottom of that, we have auto settings. And if we check that, Lightroom will automatically apply the auto settings that we see in the basic panel, just like this. And Lightroom will automatically adjust these settings. For the presets, for this preset, we do not want to check the auto settings, and we will leave that unchecked. Course presets. And just like the copy settings, we have different checkboxes for every slider, every setting that we have in the Lightroom. For example, we do not want to copy the transform settings because every image has different geometric properties and we cannot apply the same effects on every image because in one image it will look good and in another image it will look very horrible and it will not work. For this purpose, we do not want to check this transform. And for best practices, we should not be checking this lens correction because not every image that we want to apply the preset is raw. And we know that if the image is not raw, it's JPEG or any other format, Lightroom will not recognize the lens properties and will not apply the specific or the desired lens correction settings. So for best practice, check this off. And in other, we have graduated filters and radial filters. This depends on you because if the image heavily depend on graduated filters or radial filter, keep this checked on. If you do not have graduated filter or radial filters, or you have it and it's not important and it should be different in every photo, you should keep this checked off because you do not want to apply the same graduated filter or radial filter on every photos. And the same in here, we want this option checked in because we edited these parts and we want to copy these settings onto another image. Just click on create and your Lightroom, and Lightroom will create your preset and your preset group. And we see that we have course presets. Just by expanding on it, you will see our preset in here. For example, I want to apply it the same settings to this image. Just by going on it and hovering, you will see the preview of flat green preset and it is applied in this image. The same one goes for every other image that we want to apply. And if we do not like some of the settings that this preset are doing to our image, we can customize the parts that we want to change. For example, I want to add some highlights back and turn down the shadows a little bit and blacks, add some clarity. And yeah, as you can see, we copied and made a preset from our settings, from our editing, and we can easily apply it for every image that we want. Just like that, we will be able to copy the same settings in every photo that we want. That was it for this lecture. In the next lecture, we will be going over the different tips and things to keep in mind if you want to sell your own preset and create your own preset pack and sell it online. So see you in the next one. Have a nice day.